Filtered your Excel data, but the total still includes hidden rows? That's not just confusing, it's misleading. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'll show you the smartest way to sum only what's visible, just using one powerful formula that updates automatically. Okay, let's dive right in. We're working with a sales table that includes product, region, units sold, unit price, and total sales. Let's start by seeing what happens if we use the regular formula to get the total for a particular region, like West. Click on a blank cell, for example E12, and type this formula, equals sum. Select the range, and close the formula. Now, press Enter. You'll see the total of all rows, even though we haven't applied a filter yet. Now, apply a filter. Select your dataset or click anywhere in your data. Go to the Data tab and select Filter. Now you'll see drop-down arrows on each column. Click the drop-down on the Region column. Uncheck everything except West. And click OK. Now only the West region rows are visible. But here's the problem. Your sum formula still shows the total for all regions, including the hidden ones. Let's fix that. Click back on cell E12 and replace the old formula with this one. Here's what this does. 9 tells Excel to perform sum. E2 to E10 is our target range. Now press Enter and check the totals for West region. The total updates to include only the visible rows. Change the filter to South or East. And Excel updates the total automatically. No edits needed. Want to get the total units sold for the filtered rows? In a blank cell, type this formula. Now, press Enter. The logic is the same, only visible rows get included. And that's how you use the subtotal function to sum filtered data in Excel. If this made your reporting easier, give the video a like. Got a question or a trick to share? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.